Welcome students in CIT online class. Students, today we are going to start a new lesson or to do from our class 3rd EVS book. Okay, students, what we do this chapter is related to mainly different types of professions. What is the meaning of professions? Different types of jobs that we that we work in different place. Okay, so let's start today's question answer worksheet. Okay, student, I write here name some professions. The meaning of professions means jobs, different types of jobs. Okay, so start our answer. You write with me. So we need to write like this: some professions I also write here get to know about different professions. Okay, some professions are, at first we will write teacher. I am your teacher. It is my profession, that means teaching. Then doctors, nurse, then postman, then police, army, then driver, then sweeper. अगर sweeper, if sweeper not clean our toilets, then it is problem. Then we can write more, but I will write here it is C. You can write different profession in comment box. Okay, so I will write here some kinds of professions. Okay, let's write the question number 2, and you follow all the class. This is today's first class worksheet number 1. Then I will do one question, different question with worksheet 2, worksheet 3. Okay, so stay with your teacher. Question number 2: which person are called service provider? Which person give us different service? I am a teacher, I also give you service. Okay, that is teaching. It is also, I am also service provider. Okay, so let's write the answer. You note down with me properly. Who provide their service to us are called service provider. Are called service provider. Like that example, like that teacher, different profession man also called service provider. It is related to this answer. Teacher, doctor, fireman, police, then nurse, driver, they are all called etc. That means etc. They are all called service provider, because like that teacher, doctor, fireman, police, nurse, driver, all of you give different service. Okay, that is called service provider. Then question number 3, you note down with me properly. Which persons are called goods? Good means different types of things. Goods provider that we need. Okay, at first we can write like this: who provide different goods. Different goods to us are called goods provider. Okay, I will write here example: businessman or businessman then shopkeeper, shopkeeper. Okay, write these two questions properly. Okay students, I hope you note down last 3 question. Okay, our 4th question is: why do we need to work? Okay students, we need to do work. Okay, we are students, our work is now reading, then in exam, but our parents work is different, but everyone need to work. Why you need to work? Now write the answer. We need to work for brings money and support our family. Students, if we do work, we can earn money and then we can support our family. If we can't do anything, we cannot bring money, we cannot earn money, then we cannot support our family. Okay, your parents, your father, mother also do different types of or different professions, and they also earn money and give to support you. Your tuition fee, then your different essential, that means food, your cloth, you can buy with money. So we need to do. Okay. Then number fifth question I will write. You will write with me. Number 5. Some of the person help us to make our life easier. Okay. The next question is related to this one. Who help us to make our life easier. That means we got some things from different person and then our life will be made very easy. Okay, let's write the answer. Some difference or some or different types of person, some, or you can write different types of persons make our life easier. Like at first we can write businessman, then shopkeeper, because we will got different types of things that we need from different shop. Okay, sorry student, there is no shopkeeper. Shopkeeper. Sorry students, I write here correct things. It is double E. Shopkeeper. Then farmer, because we will got different types of vegetables and fruits from farmers. Okay. Then blacksmith. Then carpenters, they will help us in different arts. Painters. Okay, then drivers also, because we need to go any place, then driver help us. Okay, then sweepers, because if sweepers not clean our toilets, our garbage, then it will be, then etc. We will write more. Okay, then our life will be different problems. So these types of person help us in different way to give difference, provide, so our life will be easier. Okay students, note down properly. This is very important question. Okay students, I hope you note down all of the question properly. Okay, and this class is helpful for your study. So if you like this class, you can like, you can share with your friends. Okay, and if you want this types of class regularly, you can subscribe the channel. Okay, so this 5 questions for today's class. Okay, thank you all of you.